Today we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, literally. We're going to explore 5 incredible teas that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also work wonders for your cardiovascular health. So grab a cup, sit back, and let's talk about how you can sip your way to healthier arteries, normalized blood pressure, and a reduced risk of heart attack. First up, let's talk about onion tea, a quietly powerful elixir often overlooked in tea discussions, yet it stands as one of the finest teas for your health. The merits of onion for heart health are not merely anecdotal. Scientific evidence supports its benefits. Onions are rich in flavonoids, particularly quercetin, which plays a pivotal role in promoting the production of HDL or good cholesterol, while reducing the levels of bad cholesterol in the body. This, in turn, helps control cholesterol levels effectively. The sulfur content in onions contributes to blood thinning, preventing the formation of blood clots, a crucial factor in maintaining cardiovascular health. Additionally, the flavonol present in onions aids in minimizing high blood pressure, a common precursor to many cardiovascular issues. Now, let's delve into the perfect onion tea recipe to keep your heart in top-notch condition. Before brewing your onion tea, gather the following ingredients: chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 or 2 cups of water, lemon juice optional, and 1 bay leaf optional. Start by boiling 1.5 cups of water. Add 1 chopped onion and 1 bay leaf to the boiling water. Let it simmer until the water takes on the essence of the ingredients. Strain the tea into a cup. For a delightful twist, enhance the flavor by adding a teaspoon of honey or a splash of lemon juice. To reap the maximum benefits, savor this onion tea every morning on an empty stomach. You can also enjoy another cup in the evening. Make this wholesome ritual a part of your routine and let the heart health properties of onion tea work their magic. Second, the vibrant and delicious hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, a vibrant and crimson elixir that not only pleases the palate but also contributes to a healthier heart. Sipping on hibiscus tea may lead to a noticeable reduction in blood pressure, thanks to its rich antioxidant content. This Floral Delight could be your flavorful path to cleaner arteries. To prepare a heart-boosting cup of hibiscus tea, you need dried hibiscus flowers, hot water, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Steep the hibiscus flowers, let the flavors infuse, and enjoy the rich, tart notes while supporting your cardiovascular well-being. Make hibiscus tea a delightful addition to your daily routine for a heart in bloom. Next on our list is turmeric tea. Turmeric tea, not just a vibrant spice in the kitchen, but a golden elixir for heart health. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, boasts anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to improved cardiovascular function. This golden gem could be your ticket to cleaner arteries and normalized blood pressure. To prepare a heart-boosting cup of turmeric tea, gather 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 to 2 cups of hot water. Mix the ingredients, let it steep, and sip your way to healthier hearts. Embrace the warmth of turmeric tea as a daily ritual to support your cardiovascular well-being. Moving along, let's explore mate tea. Mate tea, the energetic powerhouse often celebrated for its stimulating effects, also holds a special place in heart health. Rich in antioxidants, mate tea may contribute to improved cardiovascular function and a reduction in blood pressure. This South American favorite is not just a pick-me-up, but a sip towards a healthier heart. To brew your heart-boosting mate tea, You need mate tea leaves, hot water, and optionally a touch of honey for sweetness. Steep the mate leaves in hot water and enjoy the rich, earthy flavors while supporting your heart health. Make mate tea a regular part of your routine and toast to a heart in good spirits. Now let's venture into garlic tea. Garlic tea, a hidden hero in the realm of heart-healthy teas, often overshadowed by its pungent reputation. Yet, scientific evidence underscores its remarkable benefits for cardiovascular health. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure. To brew your heart-boosting garlic tea, you need a few ingredients: 2 or 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of honey, a squeeze of lemon juice, optional, and 1 to 2 cups of hot water. Simply steep the crushed garlic cloves in hot water, add honey for sweetness, and a dash of lemon juice for a flavorful twist. Enjoy this tea regularly to harness the cardiovascular benefits of garlic. So, there you have it, 5 teas that could be your heart's best allies. Incorporating these into your daily routine, along with a healthy lifestyle, could contribute to cleaner arteries, normalized blood pressure, and a reduced risk of heart attack. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant change to your diets, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. And as always, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you tried any of these teas? And how have they worked for you? Tell me. Thanks for joining us today. Here's to your heart health and happy sipping. Until next time, take care.